How to create a Kucoin account. Sign up Kucoin tutorial with referral code r84QBKZ. If you're ready to start trading cryptocurrencies on Kucoin, this step-by-step guide will walk you through setting up your account. Kucoin is a popular global crypto exchange known for its broad range of assets, user-friendly features, and competitive fees. By signing up with our referral code r84QBKZ, you'll get access to exclusive benefits and rewards. Follow the instructions below to get started. Step 1. Visit the Kucoin website. To create your Kucoin account, first head to the official Kucoin website or open the Kucoin app if you have it downloaded. Ensure you're on the official Kucoin site to protect yourself from phishing scams. Step 2. Start the registration process. On the Kucoin homepage, locate the Sign Up button, usually in the top right corner. Choose between registering with email or phone number. Enter your preferred option and create a strong password. Don't forget to enter the referral code r84QBKZ to unlock special rewards and benefits. Step 3. Verify your account. Kucoin will send a verification code to your email or phone. Enter this code to verify your account. Once verified, you can proceed to log in to your new Kucoin account. Step 4. Enable security features. To keep your account secure, Kucoin offers several options. 2-factor authentication, 2FA. Activate Google Authenticator or another 2FA app to add an extra layer of security. Set a trading password. A unique password specifically for executing trades and withdrawals on Kucoin. Both of these are essential for keeping your funds safe. Step 5. Complete identity verification, optional. For basic trading on Kucoin, identity verification isn't required, but completing KYC, Know Your Customer, can increase your withdrawal limits and give you access to more features. Kucoin provides a simple KYC process that can be completed in just a few steps. Step 6. Deposit funds and start trading. Once your account is set up and secured, you can deposit funds via cryptocurrency or buy crypto directly through Kucoin's P2P marketplace or credit/debit card. Now you're ready to explore Kucoin's wide selection of cryptocurrencies, trading pairs, and staking opportunities. Kucoin is known for its low fees, diverse asset selection, and a variety of trading tools, including spot trading, futures, and staking. By signing up with referral code r84QBKZ, you can also benefit from exclusive bonuses, discounts, and trading perks. Kucoin is ideal for beginners and experienced traders alike, offering an easy way to diversify your crypto portfolio. The question is ready to get started with Kucoin? Click the registration link in the description or comments to sign up with referral code r84QBKZ and unlock your benefits today.